Welcome to Anol. We are precision glass processing experts with over a decade of experience. Today, let's tour our CNC production line. This is our tool storage area. We have a wide range of cutting tools to meet various machining needs and higher precision requirements. We also customize tools for customer requirements for different shapes, drilling, hollowing, grooving, polishing, etc. Next, see our CNC machining in action. We have 3-axis and 5-axis machining centers, achieving complex geometries with high precision. Dimensional tolerance reaches to microns. Surface roughness below raw 0.5 nanometer. Thickness can be as thin as 0.03 millimeter and as thick as 80 millimeters. All parts inspected by Zeiscom and Zygo interferometers, etc. Widely used in semiconductor manufacturing, life sciences, high-power laser systems, precision metrology, aerospace engineering, and industrial automation. We also have a 1000 SCUM Class 1000 clean room, meeting semiconductor-grade precision needs, from material selection to process development, from prototyping to mass production. Anol offers one-stop service. We can process various optical materials, such as quartz glass, ceramics, optical glass, etc. We have a strict quality control system, certified with ISO 9001. We offer rapid prototyping services and on-time delivery for mass production. Our technical team provides full support, creating maximum value for our customers. Learn more at our website bslglass.com. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you.